right, so special thanks to this company for sending us this leak-proof lunch bag. This is a tactical leak-proof lunch bag for work, picnics, etc. So, look at that. It even has a little American flag on front. Have an included strap here to put it over your shoulder. Love that. All in camo. And then there is the bag where you'd be able to fit your snacks, your drinks, etc. Got an extra little pouch here on the side to hold you a thing of water or whatever you may drink. The front has a nice zipper pocket. Very nice. This side also has a pocket, and then yeah, you can hang some extra stuff on here if you needed to with all of these hooks. Got a nice handle up top, but most importantly, tons of space, as well as a zipper pocket up here. Put your food and keep everything waterproof that you may need to be waterproof. So thanks again to this company for sending me this waterproof lunch bag. Thank you all for watching this unboxing, and we'll see you in the next video. Deuces.